Today I'm going to show you how to hide your YouTube subscriber counts from your YouTube account or your YouTube account channel page. It's also shows under your videos. You can see here. So let's see how we can hide this one. Go to your account, go to YouTube Studio. On your left hand bottom you can see settings with the gear icon. Press that one and go to the channel type. In the channel tab, go to advanced settings. If you scroll down a bit, you can see subscriber count is checked, so we want the subscriber count to hide. So uncheck this one and hit save. Okay, let's check. It's gone. Also we can check under the videos. Here also it's not showing. If you want to turn the subscriber count on again, go to YouTube Studio, settings, channel, advanced settings, scroll down a bit, check the subscriber count option and hit save. It will show the subscriber count again. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.